Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you this whole new setup from the Trunk Club. This collection of clothes was a little bit of a struggle. I had a new stylist send me a bunch of clothes during the part where you get to pick what you want and what you want to trade or cancel altogether. I did a bunch of selecting. One thing that I did learn from this experience is that if you pick new items, they will style a few little new outfits for you, which is really cool. So I like that very much. This is all I got. Can't wait to try it on. If you don't know how the Trunk Club from Nordstrom's works, we'll go into it. If you already know and you just want to skip ahead, this is the time that you need to forward to so you can watch the outfits. Can't wait to show them to you guys. If you are not familiar with the Trunk Club, it is a semi-subscription box. You can choose to have it sent to you weekly, monthly, or just request a box as needed. They will have a stylist put together a group of products, all the way from accessories, sunglasses, shoes, to outfits. That stylist cost will be $25, which will be waived if you pay with a Nordstrom card. Also, if you belong to the Nordy Club, which all you have to do to belong to the Nordy Club is to have a Nordstrom card and pay for your purchases that way, you will get $200 in alterations and many other alterations. I think some of them are free and they don't count towards your $200 credit. And you will also get notes. Every dollar that you use will be transformed into some sort of a ratio for a note, and you can then later, when you have enough notes, use them as credit towards the purchase of the products. If you do not use the Nordstrom credit card, you will pay for the $25 fee. But if you purchase something from the box that's sent to you, that $25 goes towards paying for the merchandise. So overall, it's a great deal. It's an ideal way of shopping if you don't like to go out to stores and dig for things. And you have the benefit of having a stylist put the looks together for you. There's communication between you and the stylist group. You do not have one specific stylist assigned to you, unfortunately, because I do have a favorite, but they will have enough information from the questionnaires that you answer. There is an app that you download and you can keep track of everything that's going on, from the selection of clothes, the outfits that the stylist has put together, and then that's where you will select the products that you want to keep, return, or exchange. And then you always can put feedback in there. So there is a lot of communication between you and the styling team, which is fantastic. However, I don't think they cover everything. I'm sure they have way too many people and not enough stylists to be able to thoroughly read through all the comments. In order to return it, they make it super easy. You can use the very same box that came in, put your products in, put a label they already send you, and schedule the pickup at your house. They will come to your house and pick it up. Voila! You're done. You just send the stuff that you don't want and you will be charged for the items that you keep. I think it's a great deal. And I do have a code for you guys to save $50. Guys, so here are a few things before we start showing all of the outfits that came in. I am going to be wearing these pants and these shoes through the whole thing, as they were the only pair of pants and the only pair of shoes, and I think I can just change the tops up. I am totally in love with this first outfit. It is exactly what I've wanted. The shoes I'm definitely keeping. They are just ballet flats that I've been wanting and needing for a while. They're not pointy, but love the way they just look on my feet. These pants, I'll be wearing them. They fit super comfortably. However, I do have several pairs like this. They are boot cuts, a little kick to the bottom. That's the new look for pants. I love it that the stylist was sweet enough to send me a pair that was reasonably priced. I will consider it. If I do, I will have to have it hemmed, which I can use my credit with them for being part of the Nordstrom Club to get that done. The polka dot shirt is just so cute. When I saw it, I just thought that was me. And of course, it is a CC top. A few details of the shirt is it has the cute little gathered mock neck. Of course, the puffy sleeves. Unfortunately, for my friends that have mentioned it, hey Charlotte, that at our age, sometimes we need to be using natural fibers only. It is a synthetic fabric, but I think the style is just adorable. I did get 2 bags and I do like them. The quality on this one is questionable for the price. I think it's because it's just synthetic, not real leather. I do love it that the purse can be worn with or without any of the straps or the chain. So there are several ways to wear it. Lots of partitions, and it even has dust bag. It's really cool, stylish, and well thought out. The other bag that I got was this lovely Rebecca Minkoff. It has black chains and hardware, and it is a backpack, and it is the puffy, you know, super in style puffy design. This is a fun bag, especially if you're going traveling. So it's a sizable bag to carry with you when you go get on the plane this holiday season. I really like it. It might be on my wish list for Christmas. So here is another lovely CC shirt. The color is just gorgeous. Definitely a Christmas top and something for me to consider to wear with my necklace, pretty jewels, nice nail polish for a nice and polished look. What do you guys think? Make sure to put your opinion down in the comments. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are, especially with having gray hair. Color is such a new thing for me. I always had my colors pretty basic. Actually, adding on color to my wardrobe has become a new pastime that I really enjoy. Here is another CC top that does not disappoint. I wish that somehow this inside of the fabric did not show. It is so beautiful otherwise. It is such a pretty happy green color with the little flowers. Just a lovely little look. I think it's nothing that I would have picked for myself before, but I think it can be a fun, happy little top to wear for different occasions or even to run to the grocery store. I just wish the white part did not show, so this one is going back. They just make the most feminine shirts. If they had better fabric, maybe they would reach a wider audience for the price that they charge. I guess that's all they can do or choose to do. Animal print, it's no longer considered like a trend. It is something that everybody has in their wardrobe, and I do carry quite a few animal prints. This is just lovely. Ideal for, again, wearing your bracelets because the sleeve doesn't go all the way to the end. So to showing your beautiful gold collection of bracelets, and also I would wear my gold necklace with it. So pretty. I love it that the bottom is nice and covered, so the cut is fantastic. This shirt has several pluses. Some people might be sick of the animal print, but again, an animal print is a classic. I already have one, so I'm gonna pass on this one, but it's gorgeous. Now this gorgeous Vince Camuto shirt. I'm afraid the light might be making it too glaring, but when you look nearby, it feels beautiful, and it has a very luscious finish to it. It does have the peplum, which usually doesn't become me. I think the color is magnificent and maybe something that I could choose. Has the balloon sleeves again with the gathering right here. It feels a little tighter than what I've been wearing lately, but I should have bounced my hair a little. Well, that's okay. When I wear this on one of our videos, I will have my hair all done and hopefully cut. So you will see a very polished look. And here is just a black Madewell shirt. It's about $30. I think it's too much. I can usually get these when Madewell goes on sale, especially on Black Friday, for next to nothing. It is kind of the paper tissue. I don't feel like it's long enough or loose enough. If I were to grab a large, it would be too long for my arms, but it would give me the right length here. So I'm gonna skip on that. One of the items I grabbed was this UGG wrap of sorts because it is so cozy and so comfy to wear during the winter months. I can't wait. It's the type of throw over that I will wear all the time around the house, or if I have to run somewhere. You always see me in the morning wrapped around something like this. Oh, and it has pockets. And for the last item is this mock neck waffle sweater with the little fluffy sleeves. It could be really cute if your body shape is not like mine. I think I have too much up here to wear this kind of sleeve comfortably. I feel like it's top heavy, but I like the color. I love the style, and I think if you have little less than me up here, that would be such a cute top. Super cozy and comfortable. So I hope you enjoyed all the selections from this box. If you haven't tried the Trunk Club box, use my $50 code and try one and see if it fits your expectations. I'm actually trying to get together as soon as I select my outfits from this one and send it back. I am going to rush a next selection with only outfits that you would wear during the holiday seasons, because I think it would be helpful for you guys to see a collection of put together styled outfits for different occasions. So I would recommend you subscribe and ring that bell so you see when I post. And then you can get maybe ideas on outfits on how to put them together special for a special occasion. So I'm looking forward to that one box, and I hope you are too. I think it's a fun way to get your clothes in, and I plan on doing it for a long while now. Y'all have a great one.